Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 5 preparations you should make before using Is network marketing worth it? My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about 5 preparations you should make before using Is network marketing worth it, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The link to my website is in the description box below this video. Network marketing definition. People use various words to describe network marketing. The 3 main types of network marketing are expert, coach, and affiliates. Expert. An expert is someone who is doing business with someone else. This person receives a commission based on a certain percentage for sales made. The commission is usually an hourly or salary rate. A home-based business owner can become an expert in his own field by building a network marketing business and developing a strong brand. Coaching. Coaching is the process of training and mentoring other people. This is accomplished by sharing information and experience with other business people in the industry. In other words, a coach has many experiences and knowledge and can bring valuable suggestions and lessons learned to the people he is training. Affiliate. This means online. If you are a salesman or salesperson, then the affiliate is a much better term. You don't sell products. The products are just part of your compensation plan or compensation structure. The products are usually bought from the affiliate website. New affiliate. An affiliate is one who has fewer sales than the regular affiliate. This person sells other people's products. He may have a different compensation plan, such as monthly commission, or commission based on each sale. A lot of people outsource product creation to new affiliates. Network marketing definition. Here are the 2 main types of network marketing. The first is also the most common type and is a mentor-apprentice relationship. The second type is the pay-per-sale model. Mentor-apprentice. The mentor-apprentice relationship is where an individual can receive mentorship. A mentor can be a coach, consultant, professor, or some type of an experienced person. The mentor provides assistance to the student in exchange for a commission. Pay-per-sale model. This is when an individual buys a product from the wholesaler and sells it to the end user. The product has the physical look and feel, but the product is not supported by a company advertising. Not everyone is familiar with network marketing definition. Many people think that if they had great products, good management skills and are great at marketing, they can become a millionaire overnight. There are no shortcuts to riches. The amount of money you make depends on how many people join your network marketing company. It also depends on your market skill and level of skill. The best way to succeed is to learn how to use marketing to earn a residual income. The best way to make money is to get people to buy your products and services by using your skills and knowledge. Selling is not an effective way to make money. Internet marketing is the easiest and quickest way to start earning money with no upfront investment. Will network marketing be worth 2020? Network marketing is one of the fastest growing online business models today, and most network marketers find themselves dreaming of surpassing MLM as their entire income source. The question is this: will network marketing (NMM) is worth 2020? Or, is network marketing worth 2020? I believe that there are many network marketers that would argue that it is not, simply because they believe that there is a much better business model out there. It's been proven that in the last few years that people are now spending more time on the internet than they do working for someone else, so, obviously, the internet will be worth 2020. Now, if you think that network marketing is not worth 2020, then I believe that you should invest in more research and really look at network marketing. I believe that there are many ways that network marketing can be worth 2020, and one of the ways that I see NMM being worth 2020 is with affiliate marketing. In this type of network marketing, the marketers don't have to pay any one person to market for them. All they have to do is sign up with one of the affiliate networks and promote any product that they want. This is a great way to get started, because you don't have to put money into your business, but you can just put your time into your business. Another way that I see network marketing being worth 2020 is with email marketing. Many people don't realize this, but through an email marketing program, you can reach a much larger group of people than any other medium. Because there are thousands of email marketing programs, you can find one that you want to use and become successful with it. Think about all the people that can potentially be reached with this kind of program. Do you see how powerful this kind of networking can be? Thanks for watching my video about 5 preparations you should make before using Is Network Marketing Worth It? If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.